Yo, what's up, guys? Wait, I'm live. Wait, that's awesome. Wait, hello. Hello, I'm live. Look, it's my cursor, and then there's the video up here, and then chat should be somewhere here if it works. And TTS should be all over the screen, not TTS, all should be all over the screen. So, today, I want to have, I want to have, what is that? The redemptions show on the alerts. So basically, what happens is, when people do redemption on the screen, I want some redemption to happen on screen. Not all of them. The one that I like is the first of the stream always shows up on screen, so I do want to do that. And I also want to do the what is it? I also want to do the water redemption. Also, I want to see if Twitch IO updated to take into account the bits redemption. I guess it'd be this one. Fictional point of redemption account supposed to be known. Gonna get over the background uses correct HTML hacks. There doesn't seem to be anything with channel point with bits yet. This is loud. So I'm gonna have to assume it's not in yet. I guess. Anyway, so so the ones I want to do is do I have a reward name? Because this is the ID. The user input in the chat message, which is just a text. Can I do what's in reward? Do I have reward? Don't I have channel points to get the amount of channel points, emotes, and type, which is either a single message bypass sub mode, a send highlight a message, a random sub emote choose and lock. Oh, but those are the custom ones. I don't really care about the custom ones, because those are like these, right? Hold on. Like these. And then these, which I don't really care. I want the custom ones. The custom ones are here. Oh, there's a lot more stuff here, yeah. Color, the background color, the reward, the cooldown, the cost, the redeem count, the default image if it's enabled, the cooldown, the ID, which I already use. Do I have title? Yes. My pattern is LF. LF reward title is first, because there's not one of them. So if it's first, I want to send some data about it. This is just for the share chat, I don't really care. This is the progress. Yeah, this is what I want. Boom. in your environment and yellow message. So the type is knowledge here. The type is going to be. Let's check what types I have in alert box. Follow first service or not yet. Give cheer, hype train level up, or raid. Okay, can I add a new one, which would be. I need to change to remove that extension. It just doesn't work. Install. Sudo. There you go. So it'd be channel points, and I need a new image for that. So let's look at the image I have. Viewer rewards emote. Do I have any on here, perhaps? Hello? Emotes. Yeah, they're kind of all the same. I could do chatbot. I could do chat. Yeah. That could work, right? Chat could work. Do I have chat in here? I do have chat. Do I already use chat? I don't already use chat. There we go. Awesome. Okay. The Fox 91 chat. Which I don't already use. I use chat arrive and not chat. Okay. So it's not a fellow, it's not do that so they don't do that thing. Because it's based on each thing they did something different. So the sub resub sub gift here, hype sub train, raid. Raid is the last one. Else if alert dot type is equal to channel points. It's channel points. Channel underscore points. There you go, like that. So if it's channel points, then I get to do that thing. Wait, no. User. Redeemed. And so and to copy that. Some of your it's channel points reward title. What's going to be an alert dot title. So go for your username here. Here we can have title. The color always is the same. I just need to get the color, which I don't always get. Yeah, color. And the title is reward title. The message should be something different. This is first, so they are the first FR to join the stream. Okay. And so now you do have another message, and so you just deal with the whole message thing. You will cry if you don't have emotes. Awesome. Well, I can just do if alert the emotes and like I said, if you have emotes and that emotes the keys includes the word, then you can do that. Which there won't be here. You should just always skip to that. And let's do another one. One more. This time, which one is it called in my channel? Oh, there's also first. I need to check. You take into account if you own channel points, because this is just rewards just the object. Costs. Is it always in channel point though? Reward. Here. Bro, what does it look like? The reward costs. But it doesn't say if it's channel points or if it's bits.
AI viewer stream boo.
W bar?
Come.
Wait, W. Wait, just say it out loud. Wait, W add. Did I not have this already in my list? W add, Loki. Loki W add. What's the difference? Oh, dice at a different place. Oh, that's smart. That also means I could do it for every single one. Boom. Oh. Boom. Let's keep some order and have them all sort of next to each other. They also do one with, oh, wait, they're kind of small, hold on. So they have this. Right, they have the one like that. And then here, so they have like 4 variants, I'd say. There's one with like this, one like this, one like this, and then one with nothing. They could also come up with a second one here, which is this. Boom. Listen, I've got time, okay? I could do it like more efficiently, where I just have a little list of pine wood and then just check if it just contains any of those. But yeah. Na 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 na. Which it? Which one is that one? Then that one, then both, then nothing. See, I'm starting to get a lot of words to be banned. I've updated the list now. Anyway. So yeah, there's nothing to check if they're bits or not. I could just have a mount laying somewhere, to be fair. Like a mount. And just boom. It's time to drink some water. The type is channel point. On the single job by the media. It's going on to idiot American. Television dreams of tomorrow. Women develop, that's enough to argue. I don't think the user can be null in this situation. Yeah. Just in case we have that. But technically it should always be the display name. Because you can't have... Like, this cannot be null. So... Yeah. There you go. And so this is... What's the name of it? Water. It's called also first, right? Yeah. Okay. They should work. Not now, because I need to restart the ball and restart the yellow box. It should work. And then the queue just works as fine, where it's 2 seconds for alerts, and if there's more than 20, it's only 25.25 seconds, so we can just rapid fire through all of them. Maybe 0.25 is a bit too fast. There you go. It's now half a second, which is 4 alerts instead of 1. 1 second, that we should keep though. It's 1 second in between alerts and it's 0.25 otherwise. So we can rapid fire through alerts. It's just that time divided by 4 basically. I could just do time for divided by 4. Because it's just that. And just in case, let me just do that. So it's time for alerts divided by 4 times 1000. It's always gonna be divided by 2, not 4. It's 1 second if it's less than 20 alerts, and otherwise it's 0.25 because that's 0.5. So it's 0.2. Yeah, okay. The emote size should be higher though. It should be here. be here. And so when you're not playing, it just does all the stuff. Oh. Why did they all do that? It's so annoying. Whatever. Okay. So there's no alert, it just triggers the alerts. Whenever I get the alerts, it just, if it's not playing, then you play it. And whenever the alerts stop playing, here it just resets the alerts. And it triggers the alerts. If there's still more, it'll after 2 seconds trigger like another alerts basically. And that just plays the alerts. Shit, because we've only used the first one, but there's a bunch of nerd stuff. But I feel like if you hate the small nerd stuff, right, you wouldn't be here for normal, boring stuff. Na 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 na. Do, 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 do. Mm-hmm. Okay. So this is done. I'm gonna restart this for next stream. Doesn't really matter. Let's just have it in the background. Oh, hello. Boop. There you got the interesting stuff. Minecraft. Oh, Minecraft. So, I have been on a generational run for the past few days, and I have been working on a little something. Taking inspiration from famous video game Portal 1 and Portal 2, and after watching 4 videos on how Portal worked, I, very selfishly, decided that I should also make Portal. And by make Portal, I do mean the Portal gun and some stuff from Portal. Is it started? Oh, it's starting. Yeah. And so, invalid session? Aja, you an invalid session? I just have to like reload the session without leaving. How do you do that? Which one is it? Oh. Author me. That's it. It'll stop any day now. Do do doom. Do do doom. Do doom doom doom. So, feels like any second now. But basically, I have remade a somewhat working portal gun. Somewhat. This is my very, very incredible and working portal gun, as you can see by the name saying portal gun. If I shoot one, it creates this portal gun. This portal, not portal gun. It creates this portal, as you can see. And as you can see by the fact that it is full of orange, I cannot go through. Now, if I shoot a second one, as you can see now, they are linked because this is black, which means you can go through. If I clear portals, as you can see, there's no portal anymore. If I shoot the blue one, there we go. It takes a bit sometimes to just register for the first time. Can't really go through. This one doesn't really work. If I put the second one, it works. I now have 2 portals. I already made sure that you can place them near walls. Maybe looking a bit too much here. There you go. The only place you can really do is here, where technically it doesn't clip through. You should be able to do it here too, but the calculation makes it so you can't really do it on this side, but you can do it on this side. Which means that technically you can do this, because you can't do it on this side neither. You can do it on this side. Oh yeah, you can stack them on each other. Maybe I should do that so you can't stack them on each other. So yeah. Now, as you can see, I have 2 portals. If I go on this one, is it that thing where... Okay, it's doing that thing again where... Shit. Where if I look on the negative side here of the yarn... Wait. Is it if I do exactly 180? Was it this one? Yeah, see, so it should have done 0. But it added 90 when entering this portal. Because if you do simple math, I don't have it right now, but if you do, so what is it, 93.8 plus 90, it goes over. So it should, technically, what it should do is from this, teleport me and do negative to look this way, right? Which, if I do 72, it doesn't work for some reason this time. So it's when facing south. What is it? It worked perfectly last time, so I don't know why it's not working this time, but when facing south, if the other one is facing south, I should... I 180, yeah. Because basically what I'm doing is I'm trying to like have it sort of cancels out. So you can keep the rotation working. So like see how, imagine I'm looking at this one. Technically if I'm looking through this portal out this way, right? If I'm looking through this portal this way, boom, I should be looking this way, right? But if I'm looking at an angle like this, it should come out like this. Because I'm looking right of the portal, which means that here I should be looking right of the portal. And that works for this one. See, I'm facing that way. Now, if I'm facing this, I should be looking like this. Because here I'm facing right of the portal, which means that here I should be facing, facing right of the portal, right? Facing right of the portal, here I should be facing right. And if I do that, I am not facing that way. I'm facing towards the portal. I should be looking the other way. So I'm facing that way, and I should be facing that way. And that is because of math. That is because of rotation. Rotation sucks. So in that situation, because it works perfectly fine if I do the other way, right? Yeah. This works, this works. If I, cause here, let's say I'm going backwards, which I should be looking at the portal, and here, I'm looking at the portal, which means I should not be looking at the portal. Hey, does it work that way? Oh, I broke a map, GG. If I look towards the portal, no. If I look towards the portal, yes. So I believe this is the issue, this one. Because if I do another one, works fine. If I do this, it works fine. If I do this angle, works fine. If I do this angle, works fine. So this one really is just the problem. Like, because yeah, I'm looking right here. I should be looking that way. Wait, what? Is that correct? Because this is the portal. I'm looking. That's correct, right? Because if I'm facing that way, then this side is linked to this side. So I should be looking towards the wall if I do that. Yeah, that's correct. My math is correct. Fuck everyone, I am correct, except for this wall, which for some reason doesn't work. I don't know what I did in my math somewhere, but I fucked up big time. Which one am I facing? This one is facing south. So it's either this one that's fucked up or this one that's fucked up. I add 0 both ways. That wouldn't make any sense, would it? I'm going to like cancel out the rotation so that when I enter from south, if I add 180, it cancels to 0, and then I retranslate to whatever angle I'm looking at for the exit, and I add that. You know what I mean? I want it to be always set to 0, so that I can do proper math on as if I'm always looking at 0 direction. Clear. What's a gun? Okay, which one is south? Facing south. This one. Okay, so whatever I did it the wrong way. Is it 180 and here 0? Just the opposite every time? So like this, because this is minus 90 on east, this is plus 90 on east. No, this is also minus 90 on east. This is south, yeah. Because south is 0, right? Yeah. If I'm facing north, it's 180. If I'm looking at south, it's 0. So I shouldn't do any math on south, because I'm already at 0. Oh, that worked. Okay. So if I look left, again, let's do that again. If I look that way, I should be looking that way, because this is linked to this one. So I should be looking towards the portal if I look that way. Correct. And that way I should be looking towards the wall. Oh, that worked. Okay, so I fixed the balls again, because I'm a genius, obviously. There's also... Now, you can do that. What you don't know is that technically your speed does accelerate a bit. You don't see it, but your speed does accelerate, and then based on your speed... What I do and when I kill everything. Based on your speed, you're technically meant to... technically you can shoo yourself away. Now momentum isn't a thing I added for vertical to horizontal yet. Because I need to calculate your y speed, which is your height, then translate it to x and y, x and z, based on which way you put it. Now, if you put it on north or south, I should be changing your z. Well, if it's on east and west, I should be applying your y. I should be switching your y and x away. So let's do that. So this is my very simple momentum, which I normalize a vector, which I don't think I should actually. Let me not normalize a vector. I know, crazy. Well, should I? I think I should, right? And I multiply that speed by 1.5. No, because I want to up the speed. So I don't want to normalize it. I want to multiply the speed by 1.5. If it's less, if the length of the vector is less than 0.5, then I multiply until it reaches 0.5. So we have a cap on speed, and then it doesn't really go much faster than 0.5. The camera doesn't just say it's fixed. Now, what I want to do is based on if the portal entered is top or like up or down, apply correct x or z velocity if portal exiting is on the wall. So now I think I should do that not here actually. That here. If other face, list of block face down, block face up contains other face, which is the one you spawn from, you go through. If list, and then I can just copy that. I think there's, there we go. If you contain face, so if you're going from up or down and going east or west, going to any of the walls one, if I'm gonna again copy that. Oh, okay. So if it's your north or south, we said z. But I should like the correct z. So if it's towards negative z, so if you're going out from north, if face is north, okay, the question is, I think I should load y speed is entity velocity dot get a y, and I should map.abs so that it's always positive. Oh, it's supposed to be double. My bad. Okay. So if you're north, you need to be negative, but you need to be negative z. So you need to set the y speed to 0. I need to cancel out the y speed. Can I do that? And velocity dot set y to 0. Oh, I can. So I should definitely here do that. And do entity velocity. Set z to negative y speed. Else, I want to set it to just y speed. Otherwise, then it's either north, it's east or west. Now east is towards positive, so this is going to be west, and this can be set x. Should I do set x or add x? I can add this 0, 0. No, I can add new vector though. New vector. This is definitely what I should do instead. I think. Add. You probably not be that's the x. What are we on about? Y speed should not be for, oh, because you think it's supposed to be for y. Well, it's supposed to be for x because I'm changing the values. Oh, you're funny. You're funny. Okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do here 0 and I'm gonna do here negative y speed. There we go. And then here I'm gonna do y speed. Oh, y speed. There we go. Awesome. Okay. So the x is going to set 0 so you don't fly up or down when you're being teleported away. You can build up y speed and then show yourself in a direction while your y speed doesn't really change. This should work. Then you teleport and set velocity to whenever you teleport. If portal is up or down. If portal is on the wall. And then I think that's pretty self-explanatory. I think you can read a good instance and what happens here. Okay, let's restart. And let's see if my code works, which the answer will probably be no. I know, shocking. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Na 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 na. Da 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 na na na. The music is so fucking good. Maybe I should do that instead. Boop, 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 boop. I'm building up speed. Doesn't look like it. It might be because the vector wasn't normalized. Oh, and this, yeah, this is a flop. Because I need to... Oh, wait, I got launched. Look, that worked. Hey! Oh, well, I didn't have enough speed here, but... Let's try again. Does that work? That all works fine. Hell yeah. Whee! Oh my god! Bang! I got flying so far away. Look at this. Oh my god, yes! Yay! Yay! Okay, so that works. If I give at E L saturation, no, infinite, 255 true. Although it does launch me a bit far. Alright, let's do so that the velocity on MBS divided by 1.15. That by default add some Y velocity. Okay, let's do 0.25 here. Because I don't want people to go down and immediately get blasted through. By just going down one portal, right? I want you to not go far, but if they manage to build up speed, they can go far. Is what I'm trying to do. Ba 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 ba. Oh. Yeah, see, I'm not even doing anything and it's already shooting me through the sky. So I think I remove this. Maybe I cap the speed down again to like 0.4. So I don't go too far again. Yeah, see, I still get shot far. I don't really want that to happen, not gonna lie. I don't know. Is it because I multiply the speed? What if I don't multiply the speed? What if you don't build up speed? But technically you do build up speed over time. It just doesn't cap it. It doesn't add until you hit a spot. It is natural. Clear Polygon. Oh. Thank you. And still there. It feels like it shoots me quite far. Can I get the velocity before and after? Entity, send message, and the velocity. I get the velocity before and after the application of the thing. Because I might have to tune it down. What you thinking? If that I'm right, good Bannon. Okay. I guess normalizing makes it go faster. Like, what if I don't normalize it? Because normalizing makes it go to 1. Which is already pretty fast. So what if I don't normalize it? Because then I have no Y speed, you know what I mean? Nope. Yeah, here, see, I have no speed. And here I have a bit more speed already. Yeah, what if I build up speed? Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, see, if I manage to build up speed, I can in fact do that. I think I should re-enable this, but yeah, at a low speed and don't give a boost. I think that's fair, right? Alright. So we got that working. So that was just for the polygon. Now I also want to, if possible, add cubes and buttons. For both cube buttons and cubes, and also normal buttons. They're gonna be a little bit harder to play with, I think. Because honestly, I think this generally was the easiest part of the thing is to do that. If I don't build a much speed, I don't normalize the vectors. .25. Let's try that. But I have to play with this plenty. I don't want to play with these plenties because they suck. I mean, they're great, but they suck to play with. Mainly because I don't know how to play with them. Oh. I was building a lot of speed here. Okay, what if I... Okay, so if I do a jump, it does work well. That works great! How far can I go? Oh. Right, I'm facing the wrong way. I would have to face that way. I don't go that far, actually. I thought I'd go faster. Oh. I've lost all my speed here. What? Why does it feel like sometimes I lose all my speed and like not? What? Am I checking every 2 ticks so it's missing half the damage checking? Might be that. Might be that. I think bull check time, yeah, it's 2 ticks. So it's only 1 tick. So twice as fast. Oh, clear. Portals. Oh. I should make it so you can redraw that item. Okay, let's see how far I can go. So, boom. Oh, I did go quite far. It is hitting on FPS though. See, I'm dropping at 17 FPS. Oh, you can't really see that. Well, yeah, as you can see, my P99.5 is the 99.5% of the time. The 95.5% lowest. And it's 19 FPS. So I should fix it. I think it's because this runs the render runs every tick. You render that doesn't run every tick, and it's annoying. Like what I can do is I'll take that in render interval. Render gonna be like every 5 ticks, right? This is gonna be check task. Well, this is going to be what? Oh, there you go. So it's going to be render, and it's going to do the whole checking, which is this bit of code. There we go. This can be deleted, and also I should probably just do a less. Add There we go. These are bucket tests. And here. There we go. Okay. Awesome. That should work. Oh, I don't want to debug now. Hello, you. So ride. Okay. That should now render every 4 tick. Every 5 ticks. Well, this checks every tick. Now, what I can do is do total colors. Because did this, they use. Oh, god, this is shit. There you go. They use different colors. Well, they're only that, but they use different colors. This is blue and this one, right? Which is here in bold type. We do have that already. But I don't want to have different colors. So because right now you can only create a blue and orange portal, right? Which are the default ones. And I need those to be those, which is yellow, dark red, aqua, and then dark blue. Can I have those? Let's see. So, red, which is color dark. We do dark red? No, we can do red though. Yellow, color dark. Yellow, aqua, which is color dark. Aqua, and then dark blue, which is color. Oh, hold on. What color do we have? Aqua, blue, black, fuchsia, gray, green, lime, maroon, navy. Navy could be good. Now, here when the polygon, I should allow a polygon to have different colors. Orange we portal left. Didn't change what I wanted. Alt left portal, I guess. Medium usage, there we go. And this is right portal. This is right portal. There we go. Now, what I get to do is color, and then the right portal color. which is a bottle type, which should never be null and should always be final. There we go. So here you get to choose ball type, left, and then portal type for right. And then this left polygon should be left, and this dot right polygon should be right. Now, when creating the ball, you create with the ball type, which is predefined here. At this time, it always used here blue or orange because those were the two colors. Now, what I need to do is to a public portal type get portal color based on the boolean, which is left. Return is left, then left color. Otherwise, you can do right color. Now, what's great is that, as you can see, I already have this, which I can just do that. Boom. Now you can ask me, but wait, there's a problem here. I'm not saying any color. That's because by default, it'll be blue, oh wait, orange, and blue. But I can do different ones. Because now I can also do red, yellow, and aqua. Oh, dark blue and aqua. And we're gonna test. So we're gonna test the first one to see if it works and create the right portals. And then we're gonna test the other twos to see if they work too. Which I should work because I'm a great coder and everything works well first time. So that should be the reason it doesn't work. But that allows us to have custom colors. A simple change allows us to have custom portal colors, which is great. Let's see. So they should be the normal colors. If I do this and I do that, well, actually the colors got changed for me. But they're the right colors, you can see. This is blue and this is orange. That works great. And now we get to switch it. Let's try the red and yellow portal gun. See how they look like. Navy should be like a dark red color, right? Dark blue. Navy color. Yeah, navy blue, right? It should match the ballgame color, I think. This is yellow. This is red. Why are they overwriting each other? Hmm? Oh, I know why. Because somewhere in the code, It looks like it's blue. This has never seen any use, so I can just leave that. And that one's blue for now. Okay. Fixed. It should work properly now. Hopefully, we'll see. So after usage, and you have to use it. I want to see where. Also, you have no usage, so I don't know. Bang! And it works just fine. And it works just fine. Look at this. Alright. And now we did the third one. Which is here. Can I ask you what aqua and dark blue looks like? Dark blue being navy, obviously. Obviously. Where have I been? I must have think of that pose masquerade. I'm a shifter. Doom, 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 doom. Oh, slash clear. Ah, that works, right? Yeah, I think that works. That's sick. That is sick. Oh, I'm so happy it works. Yes. Yes, dude. Yes. Okay. So now we can have custom color. So we have 3 classic polygons. I need that somewhere. I remember finding. What is it? Portal gun texture Minecraft. This. It is a model for bow and crossbows. Now, what's stopping me from using it normally? Here's a Minecraft roll gun resource pack that turns the bow and crossbow to be pulled guns from the game portal. It'll only shoot arrows. Please not redistribute your pack online without my permission. I will not redistribute your pack without your permission, because I will not even redistribute your texture pack. I think I already had it download somewhere. I'll re-download it. Yeah, I already had it. So it is for an older version of Minecraft. Which one? I don't know. $15. Like MC Meta. What's it in French? Yeah. This data back, I don't give a fuck. It's fine. 15 is 1.20 through 1.21. We are currently playing on 1.26.1, which 26.1, which is 84. Now, I don't think doing 84 will work, because I believe there were some breaking changes on how text by change worked since this version. First of all, let's see, does it have any non-PNG files? They're all PNG. What is secret.png? What is that? Is that a hazmat suit? What is that? Claw FX. That's gonna be the claw, right? Yeah. And then the polygon itself. This is sick. Yeah, I think if I open this in Blockbench, I can do some stuff. They should have Blockbench somewhere here. There you go. So sounds. I need to export this into. Oh, not what I want to do. No, still not what I want to do. Okay, question. If I disconnect and reconnect, does it still work? No. And if I do clear portals, that does work. Clear, and just can give it a new polygon. Yeah, okay. Now what I want to do, I want to go in Visual Spec and then open this folder. I believe if I do that, it won't work. It is broken. Even if I like to get a bow, I guess, or crossbow. Oh. Oh, it works. Wait. Did you hear that? Oh, you can't hear that. This is awesome. The noises are awesome. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Let me get the other one. Where's it? Where's it? Where's it? Where's it? Where's sound? Where's sound? Fuck, do I have sound? What's in audio? You're not a fucking game? Are we for real? Okay, listen to this. Isn't that sick? It's I fucking did that. Yes! Because it's any entities, again, it's within the vicinity of it. And not only players. Fuck yeah. That might cause issue if I wanna play with cubes and I have a cube and it goes through a portal and teleports fucking miles away from the player. So I'm have to do it so it's only players that get teleported, which I can do, I think. Let me do that and go back to the normal one. Dum 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 dum. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. There you go. So it only players players are entities. I'll just do player here. There you go. All right. That works. Awesome. Can I change it to be, instead of being being dum 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 dum. Can I do like thick? Oh shit, it works. Oh shit. The only thing I want to do though is, so let's think about echo shot, and then I can see meta here. I want to change to 80.0 because it's 0.0 now. So yeah. Shut the fuck up. Yeah. Broken or incompatible. And yet it fucking works, baby. Oh, that's sick as fuck, isn't it? Yeah. I just went ball in Minecraft. Oh, what can I say? It's kind of in the wall. Can I make it not be in the wall? I think I can, right? It's a large block bench. And then this. I thought this could never be. I think it's gonna render it for this time. I'll render just splitting the both of things here. Coffee was steaming and I was dreaming you'd take me to the boiling point. Yeah, they shouldn't clip through the walls anymore. Damn, nearly wrecked a joint. You held my body tight like a fiend. You kept me up all night. I like my man like I like my coffee. I think that's gonna be a small stream. I'm gonna work on actually making the cube and the buttons on another stream, but I think this is gonna be it for, if this works, it's gonna be it, definitely. Oh my god. Like I like my coffee hot store. I coffee on. Nah, this is sick. I need to just play the sound. Which one is it? Is it play sound? It's something with the bow. I don't know which one it is, but it's something with bow. I know that. It's in sounds, item, crossbow? Oh, it shoots. That's the sound I need to play. It's Minecraft cross item crossbow shoots. God damn, you held my body tight. Okay. So the one I want is shoot. I like my man like I like my coffee. Here. Player dot play sound on player. Wait. This play sound is like 8 infinity, so it's entity sound, volume, and pitch. So sound out crossbow shoots. Doing voice. Volume will be a pitch will be 1, and then volume will be 1. There we go. And so what music do we have? This one. Oh, make it louder. What the hell? So, I want to make it 2. Because 2 is the last you can make a sound. What the hell? Why is it so quiet? 2. The sound is so quiet. It's so much louder here. Oh, is it because it's on 2%? That's why. Right. It was on 2%. Yeah. Let's put it back to 1. His music is so fucking good. I'm gonna be so honest with you guys. Oh, that's so fucking good! Yes! Oh, it's lagging. Oh, it's lagging. Oh, it's lagging. Yeah, it's lagging with that. Wow. Is it because I'm... Oh, it is. Let's do 30 blocks instead of 100 blocks. It's already pretty far. Instead of already struggling with just that one over there. I love that you're just holding it in your hand. That's so fucking cool. Look at this. I love this. I love this so much. And then, well, you should never hit 30 blocks away anyway. Like, this should just never happen anyway, but... Like, this is how far you can shoot, is like... this. I haven't tried that, yeah. Oh, I'm gonna disappoint in that. Oh, that should be a thing I should do then. If one is floor and the other one is floor, just keep on going. Else if face is down. Oh, up. Negative Y speed, it goes up. Well, yeah, negative Y speed. Wait, no, because that's gonna be positive, so, yeah. Because the Y speed is played there already. I wanted to go down, one people to go up. Doo-doo, 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 doo-doo. Okay. Let's try again. There's one here. There's one here. Oh, one here. Yes. Oh. Yes. I mean, I guess if you're stuck, you could just... sort of shoot away, you know. Can you shoot here? No, okay. Good. Oh, I almost could. Wait, can you? From this? Oh, it's barely not enough. Oh, okay, this was a glitch. Oh, I did it again. Huh. Wait, why was this one working without the other one? What? So weird. What? Does this one work? No. Is there a minimum height I need? Like from here, does that work? No. Oh, let's do that. And if that doesn't work, I'll do 1.5. Do-do. 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 I'll do one for you know if I get. No reason, okay. Okay, from one down. I guess it didn't do it. Too bad I didn't go that high. Okay, whatever many blocks this is the minimum I need to run to do a proper jump. And that's just what if I do that. What if I do... Oh, yes! Look at this! I can launch so far away. Holy shit. I think this is a good formula, honestly. Oh. I guess you want to make this too tall? Like... just so that the plot doesn't collide with the bottle. Yeah. Wait until I make emancipation grills. Oh shit. Wait until I make emancipation grill. That's gonna be banger. Dang. Nah, that's sick. Nah, that's actually awesome. Night. Oh look, it's only running the top half of the bottle from this far. Okay, I guess that's a bubble. That's a bubble limit, right? And like, if I go one down here, you can see them slowly coming up. There's this block, then this block, then this block. Yeah. Nah, I think that's sick as fuck. Look at this. I also made it so you can do that on bio blocks, so technically. Na, 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 na. Yes, it works. Whee! Nah, this is actually awesome. Slash clear bottles. The fact that when there's only one, it's like that, and then when you place the second one, it actually acts as like the second one. It's so cool. We haven't seen it when it's like. Oh wait, no. Is it when I jump? Chain them. You can chain portals. Look at that. Yes! Oh my god! Nah, that's cool as fuck. Nah, that's sick. Nah, absolute cinema. Absolute cinema. Nah, this is cool as fuck. Nah, this is cool as fuck. Nah, this is actually sick. Alright. I'm gonna end it now. I fixed all the things I wanted to do. Next up, though, any to-dos here on this, or am I good? What is this? Yo, why is this bookmarked? The fuck? Here. To do. Add cubes, buttons, button cubes. And all the fun stuff. Oh. Emancipation grills. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna run this so that I can build, and then... Oh wait, no, run just run the server, right? Does run the work for the... For the hard reload? I tried to set up hard reloading, but it doesn't really work apparently for some reason. So... If I remove that. No, okay, whatever. Build! 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 Alright, built. We have bottle guns. Yes! Yeah! We have the bottle gun file. It's here. Alright. Thank you for watching. I will see you maybe Saturday. So, okay. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Saturday. Why Saturday? So on Saturday there is maybe Chamber Trials if I have to submit Iona, but also maybe one shot Royale if I don't sub in, or if the event doesn't last for 8 hours. Which is apart from the 4th. The thing is that one shot is going to last 3 hours and it's starting on at 6 p.m. Yeah. Oh, not 6 p.m. It's at 9 p.m. So I don't know. They changed that to like be 3.5 hours. No. So because it's not announced yet, and I'm gonna leak it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not gonna leak the teams though, but there is a chamber trials on July 4th at 6 p.m. my time. And it says that it's about to last 3.5 hours. Now, at the same time, I got invited to a Rancho Royale with the event scene only at 9 p.m. my time. So either they hurry the fuck up, speed everything, and don't play half of the stuff in Chamber Trials, or like, I don't know, they just skip the breaks or something. I don't fucking know. They figure out something. Or I don't play in Montreal. Now, I like to play in Montreal because it's the second time I'll play it, and also it's all the event people. By all the event people, I mean literally all the event people. Tom Pine made it, I guess for was. Tomaru made it. Who else? Big people like Daniel Elton from MCC. Hello. Creepy from Clicks. Telegram from Showdown. Benjamin from Biometal. Somehow that Phoenix. I guess from what is it? Where was? There's like a lot of people in this Discord, right? Like a lot. There's fucking hello. There's fucking Bumpy Jake from every event ever. Like hello. And AK5, I don't know what event AK5 works on or is a part of, but he's in apparently. There's a lot of people from a bunch of different event scenes. Bunny's from Frost. I think it's funny. If I put my profile picture and all I put is the events 580. I think it's hilarious if I'm known to work on 18 different event projects and I put the event 580. I think it's hilarious. Just like I put random profile pictures as the thing I for like team announcements and stuff. I think it's really funny. And I think that's what I'm gonna do. Because it is really funny. So yeah. Anyway, thank you everybody for watching. I wonder who's in there. I'm gonna need that. Thank you for watching. I will see you Saturday, I guess. For any way, I guess I'll be live Saturday. Leave me live on Saturday for either Water Royale or Chamber Trials, depending on the thing. But yeah. Oh wait, GitHub OBS updates. Which is a bunch of new things. It's a beta though. I'm not on beta, I think. I think I'm on the stable release. I'm not gonna have it. But it's an ethical picker now for sources. Like oh, I give a fucking Twitter studio what's shit. Look at this. You can see the thing now. You can see the source you're selecting. And choose if you make it visible or not. From all the recently added or any of those. Or you can just drag it. Isn't that cool? Isn't that sick? I think it is. I think it is sick. Yo, should I go out on Twitter next time? I don't know what the creator studio is and if it's only for It's twitter.com/i/live studio. Twitter.com/i/live studio. Is it only for like people who paid? It's only for premium users. Yo. Oh, it is. It is only for premium users. I guess I'm not going live then. Can I spam click the go live button? Fuck, I can't. Fuck, I'm trying to spam click it. Hold on. I missed it. Fuck. Did I? Yeah, I did. No, I'm being upscaled. I'm being upscaled before I can click the button. Fuck. I missed it. I missed it. I clicked it. I clicked it. I clicked it. Fuck, I'm being upscaled. I'm being upscaled. Like this. I guess I'm not gonna live on Twitter.